So this is my Bafang 750 watt 48 volt mid-drive motor. I'm having some trouble now after about 1600 miles of usage, and I'm getting the dreaded grinding noise when it's turned on. So I've stripped off the front chainring, and it now sounds like it's coming from here, which would be the main drive shaft bearing. Let's see what you think. Okay, so we've moved indoors now because it's freezing outside. This is the main helical drive, and if I can do this one-handed, there's a massive amount of play on the main drive bearing. Okay, so I've put the main drive shaft back in to the small bearing, and I think I found out where my rumbling noise is, and look at the movement. So that needs to be replaced. This bearing on the top is the main bearing, and that seems to be alright. So it's the small one down in there, at the end of the drive shaft, which is the problem. Okay, so after rebuilding the motor and greasing all the bearings, cleaning everything, re-greasing everything I possibly can that's moving, I've now put it back on the bike, and it's ready for a test run. I'm not expecting to have resolved every problem, because those bearings still need replacing, but I just didn't have them. I'd have to order them. Maybe that's something for another day. But I've just rigged it up to the battery, to the controller. I'm just going to use the thumb throttle to see what it's like. as you can hear, there's still that bearing rumbling noise, which is a bit of a shame, but obviously that just means that bearing needs to be replaced.